with towing, backup camera, front fog lamps and an auto locking rear differential. Come down to Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo and see why this GMC Sierra is everything you want in your next truck. This GMC Sierra 3500 HD delivers a gas/ethanol V8 6.0 liters/366 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, windows, power with driver express up and down and express down on all other windows, wheels, 18, 45.7 centimeters, chromed aluminum includes 18x8, 45.7 centimeters by 20.3 centimeters, steel spare wheel. Spare not included with ZW9, pickup box delete unless a spare tire is ordered. Requires single rear wheels. This GMC Sierra 3500 HD features the following options: wheelhouse liners, rear, requires crew cab or double cab model. Not available with dual rear wheels. Deleted with ZW9, pickup box delete, wheel, 18x8, 45.7 centimeters by 20.3 centimeters, full size, steel spare. Spare not included with ZW9, pickup box delete unless a spare tire is ordered. Requires 18 wheels and tires and single rear wheels. Included with E63, pickup box. Available to order when ZW9, pickup box delete is ordered. Visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors. Transmission, 6-speed, automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking. Requires L96, Vortex 6.0 liters V8 SFI engine. Transfer case, electronic shift with rotary dial controls. Requires 4WD models. Trailering equipment, trailering hitch platform 2.5 with a 2.0 insert for HD. 7-wire harness with independent fuse trailering circuits mated to a 7-way sealed connector to hook up parking lamps, backup lamps, right and left turn signals, an electric brake lead, battery and a ground. The trailer connector also includes the 4-way for use on trailers without brakes, park, brake/turn lamps. Deleted when ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered. Trailer brake controller, integrated, if ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered. JL1, trailer brake controller is deleted and available to order as a free flow option. Tires, LT265/70R18E all season. Blackwall, requires single rear wheels. Tire, spare LT265/70R18E all season. Blackwall, included and only available with QWF, LT265/70R18E all season tires or QGM, LT265/70R18E all terrain tires. Available to order when ZW9, pickup box delete is ordered. Tire carrier lock, keyed cylinder lock that utilizes same key as ignition and door, not included when ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered. Visit us today. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 for a quick visit at a great vehicle.